Hi guys! Welcome to Galbi's kitchen. Do you guys know what kind of food this is? This is called Bossam. Pork with radish kimchi and cabbages. I'm going to walk you through how to make this. Let's get started! Before we cook the pork, let's make some radish kimchi. Slice the radish into strips. Once you finish chopping them, add half cup sea salt. And then add half cup corn syrup or sugar. Add quarter cup of vinegar. And give them a good massage. And keep them aside for 2 hours. We normally eat bossam with salted napa cabbages. Cut the napa cabbage into quarters and then separate them one by one. Sprinkle quarter cup of sea salt and then pour hot water until the cabbages are submerged and keep them aside. Cut the pork into big chunks. And then place them into a large pot. And add 5 to 6 bay leaves and a slice of ginger and handful garlic and half onion. Add 10 to 12 whole black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Lastly, 3 tablespoons of doenjang, the Korean bean paste. Fill the pot with water until all the ingredients are submerged. Boil them for about an hour over medium heat. While you are waiting for pork to be cooked, you can make sauce for the kimchi. 3 tablespoons of gochugaru, the Korean pepper flake. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And sprinkle some sesame seeds. And then mix them neatly. Oh my gosh, this smells so good! After an hour, take out the pork from the pot. And then place the steamer into the pot. And then place the pork on top of it. And cover the lid and steam it for about 10 minutes. Drain the water out from the radish and get a cheesecloth and squeeze them as hard as you can. Mix them with the kimchi sauce. squeeze the water out from the cabbages too. Cut the pork into bite size. And place them in a plate. And ready to serve. Alright, it's time to eat! I'm going to get the cabbage, then put pork, and then gonna get some kimchi. Then wrap it around. Really good. The pork is very moist and the kimchi adds the flavor to it. It's perfect combination. I love it. Alright, this is really nice and tasty. I wish you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumb button down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you want to know other Korean recipes, leave the comment down below and then I will try to make them for you. Alright, I see you guys next time. Bye!